The Realme GT 8 Pro emerges as a flagship smartphone designed to redefine the boundaries of mobile performance and creativity. Engineered for both power users and gaming enthusiasts, it blends futuristic features with an uncompromising focus on speed, display technology, and imaging excellence. Design and build quality. The Realme GT 8 Pro instantly impresses with its refined, robust build and modern aesthetics. At just 8.2mm thick and weighing in at 214 grams, it strikes a balance between a substantial, reassuring presence and comfortable daily handling. The aviation-grade aluminum frame, coupled with either a glass or eco-leather back, signals a premium experience, while the customizable camera island offers truly unique personal flair, allowing users to tailor how their smartphone looks at a glance. With superior IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistance ratings, the device can withstand high-pressure water jets and even immersion up to 2 meters, making it one of the sturdiest smartphones gamers and professionals can rely on. Display experience. Gaming, entertainment, and productivity soar on the device's 6.79-inch LTPO AMOLED display, which boasts a QHD+ resolution and supports up to 1 billion colors. The extraordinary 144Hz refresh rate, coupled with Dolby Vision and HDR10+, delivers ultra-smooth, vibrant visuals. Peak brightness of up to 7,000 nits means visibility is flawless, even in direct sunlight, while the near edge-to-edge design achieves a stunning 93% screen-to-body ratio. Hardware and performance. At its core lies the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, paired with up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB UFS 4.1 storage. This hardware supports demanding multitasking, high frame-rate gaming, and creative workloads without a hint of lag. A dedicated esports chip and advanced vapor chamber cooling system maintain optimal performance during marathon gaming sessions, while AI-assisted resource management squeezes every drop of power from the platform. Camera features. Photography on the GT 8 Pro is nothing short of spectacular. The rear camera module features a 200MP Ricoh-tuned periscope lens for powerful telephoto shots, a 50MP wide sensor, and a 50MP ultra-wide lens. These advanced optics are supported by professional-grade features like multi-directional PDF, OIS, and a switchable camera bump design. Video recording reaches 8K fidelity, while the 32MP front camera ensures crystal-clear selfies and stunning 4K video calls, perfect for creators. Sound and connectivity. The stereo speaker system delivers clear, immersive sound whether gaming or streaming, supported by high-res certification and advanced haptic feedback. Connectivity is state-of-the-art, featuring Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, NFC, infrared, USB Type-C, and support for an extensive array of navigation satellites. Security is strengthened through an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor and a suite of advanced motion and proximity sensors. Battery and charging. Realme outfits the GT 8 Pro with a substantial 7,000 mAh battery for uninterrupted use. This battery supports ultra-fast charging at 120W, with wireless options up to 50W, and reverse wireless charging for added flexibility. Safety systems optimize power management, allowing users to game, work, and create all day without worrying about running out of charge. Security and sensors. User data and privacy are prioritized with a fast, reliable ultrasonic fingerprint sensor embedded within the display. Complementing the biometric security are an array of sensors, including accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity, compass, and a color spectrum sensor, enabling a truly smart device experience that's both secure and responsive. Final thoughts. The Realme GT 8 Pro doesn't just meet expectations, it transcends them. Its formidable performance, modular design, pro-grade camera suite, and robust build make it a defining choice for gamers, power users, and content creators seeking a future-ready device. Whether it's the bold display, relentless hardware, or creative imaging, the GT 8 Pro emerges as a standout flagship, ready to push the limits of what a smartphone experience can deliver.